Do you fight more because you're in the public eye than you usually would like a normal couple?
No,
No.
no.
Actually, fight less.
Yeah.
You fight less.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I think we really know each other already, inside out.
Mm-hmm.
So that we're I think at that point already.
Yeah.
We don't really listen to what other people say.
I think the important thing in a relationship, in a showbiz relationship, is that you don't bring the public into the relationship. You can bring them in as spectators, but not really into it as decision makers. Ultimately, the decision should lie between the two of you. And as far as problems regarding our personal relationship is concerned, we should filter that out. We should solve the problem ourselves.
And can you? Are you able to do that?
Yeah.
If I
We don't really
Mahirap.
talk about each other when we have interviews.
Okay.
That's why people talaga don't really know what's happening. Because we try to stay away from intrigues as much as possible. So hindi kami masira.
like for example, if someone would interview Claudine and incidentally, one of the questions would be like, "How's Rico?" She'd say, "Oh, he's
It's
okay."
okay.
Like
That's
that.
it.
Like
Next
that.
question,
Less
please.
talk,
Yeah.
less
Ganon, ganon.
mistakes.
Yeah.
But you both came from relationships before, so is this something you learned from your past relationships and so now you know better?
We always believe that we learn from our
Yes.
past relationships,
Okay.
from our past experiences. So,
But your former girlfriend was not a showbiz figure, was she? Or was she?
she was not.
Okay, so you're the one who kind of brings in the expertise
Yeah.
because you've been in the limelight much longer than Rico.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. O sige, how about what are the good things? Let's hear the good things naman.
Yeah.
What's the good thing about being a love team?
We're comfortable.
Yeah.
We're
What do you
comfortable with each other. I mean, it's easier to work with someone na you know talaga.
Yeah.
Like kissing scenes or
Like
Which we'll
killing
talk about
scenes.
later.
Yeah.
Meron yan.
like in your case, Annette,
Okay.
you've been in showbiz longer than the both of us have been in.
Okay.
And no, but you're still young.
Okay.
You're still very, very young.
Okay.
In fact, you're younger than me.
Okay.
Okay. But I always believe that as long as you're in a relationship with someone and that someone happens to be your leading lady, it's so easy to get into those intimate and delicate scenes
Yeah.
with her because you're so comfortable, and the scene becomes so natural. It becomes so sincere. It becomes so real that the viewers can actually relate to it.
Yeah.